Hemp, a plant that has been around for centuries, yet its potential is only now being fully realized. It's more than just a plant. It's a solution to many of the challenges we face today. From environmental issues to health concerns, hemp offers a versatile and sustainable option. For ages, we've used hemp for food, fabric, and so much more. Ancient civilizations relied on hemp for its strong fibers and nutritious seeds. It was a staple in many cultures, providing essential resources for daily life. Then, for a while, we forgot about it. Due to various political and social reasons, hemp fell out of favor, but now we're rediscovering hemp and its incredible benefits. We are realizing its potential to change the world. Scientists and farmers are working together to unlock the secrets of this amazing plant. Research is showing that hemp can be used in countless ways, from medicine to construction materials. Hemp can make our bodies healthier. Its seeds are packed with protein, essential fatty acids, and other nutrients. Hemp oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is being used in a variety of health products. It can make industries greener. Hemp is a renewable resource that can be grown without the need for harmful pesticides. It can be used to create biodegradable plastics, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and decreasing pollution. And it can help us build a sustainable future. From food to fuel, from clothes to construction, hemp is the answer. Hempcrete, a building material made from hemp, is not only strong and durable, but also carbon negative, meaning it absorbs more CO2 than it emits. Are you ready to learn more? Let's dive in. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of hemp and discover how this ancient plant can help us create a better, more sustainable world. Meet Jack Herer, a man whose name has become synonymous with the fight for hemp legalization and awareness. Jack was not just an advocate, he was a pioneer, a visionary who saw the untapped potential of a plant that had been unfairly demonized for decades. He was a tireless advocate for hemp. His passion was palpable and his dedication unwavering. Jack traveled across the country, speaking at rallies, engaging with communities, and spreading the word about the benefits of hemp. He believed that hemp could be a game changer for society, offering solutions to many of the world's problems. Jack saw how special hemp was. He understood its versatility and its potential to revolutionize industries. From textiles to construction materials, from food products to biofuels, Jack knew that hemp could provide sustainable alternatives to many of the resources we rely on today. He knew it could change the world. Jack envisioned a future where hemp was a cornerstone of a more sustainable and equitable society. He saw it as a way to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, to create jobs, and to promote environmental stewardship. He wrote a book called The Emperor Wears No Clothes. This book was more than just a collection of facts. It was a manifesto, a call to action. Jack meticulously documented the history of hemp, its uses, and the reasons behind its prohibition. This book became a Bible for hemp enthusiasts. It inspired a new generation of activists and researchers. People gathered in libraries, homes, and community centers to discuss its contents and to strategize ways to bring hemp back into the mainstream. Jack explained how big companies and governments worked together. He exposed the collusion between powerful industrial interests and policymakers who sought to suppress hemp to protect their own financial interests. They shut down the hemp industry. Factories closed, farmers were forced to abandon their crops, and an entire industry was brought to its knees. The repercussions were felt far and wide, affecting economies and livelihoods. Why? Because hemp posed a threat to their profits. They feared its potential. The versatility and efficiency of hemp made it a formidable competitor to many established industries, from paper to pharmaceuticals. Jack Herer dedicated his life to exposing this. He worked tirelessly, often at great personal cost, to bring the truth to light. His efforts were not just about hemp, they were about justice, transparency, and the right to access beneficial resources. He wanted everyone to know the truth about hemp. Jack believed that an informed public could make better decisions and that knowledge was the key to change. Through his speeches, writings, and relentless activism, Jack Herer left an indelible mark on the world, ensuring that the story of hemp would not be forgotten. Let's talk about food. Hemp seeds are incredible. They're like tiny powerhouses of nutrition. They're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients give you energy and help you grow strong. Hemp seeds also have omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are essential for brain and heart health. You can sprinkle hemp seeds on salads or blend them into smoothies. They add a nutty flavor and a nutritional punch. Cotton is often called the fabric of our lives, but cotton is thirsty. It needs a lot of water to grow. It also needs pesticides, which can harm the environment. Hemp, on the other hand, is a superhero. Hemp needs less water than cotton. It can grow without harmful pesticides. This makes it a much better choice for our planet. Plus, hemp fabric is strong and durable. It gets softer with every wash. Section 5, Hemp for Paper, Saving Our Forests. In this chapter, we will explore an innovative solution that could revolutionize the way we produce paper and help preserve our precious forests. We need to protect our planet's lungs, our forests. Forests are vital for maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. They provide oxygen, store carbon, and are home to countless species of wildlife. They also offer recreational spaces for people to connect with nature. But we cut down millions of trees every year to make paper. This deforestation leads to habitat loss, climate change, and a decrease in biodiversity. The traditional paper industry is one of the major contributors to this environmental crisis. What if there was a better way? There is. Hemp, a versatile and sustainable crop, offers a promising alternative. Hemp has been used for centuries for various purposes, and now it can be a game changer in the paper industry. Hemp can save our forests. Unlike trees, which take decades to mature, hemp can be harvested in just a few months. This rapid growth cycle makes it an incredibly efficient resource for paper production. Hemp grows much faster than trees. A single acre of hemp can produce as much paper as 4 to 10 acres of trees over a 20-year period. This means we can produce the same amount of paper with significantly less land and time. It can be used to make paper that is strong and durable. Hemp fibers are longer, stronger, and more flexible than wood fibers, resulting in a higher quality paper that is less prone to tearing and yellowing. Hemp paper can even be recycled more times than wood pulp paper. Traditional wood pulp paper can typically be recycled 3 to 4 times before the fibers become too short and weak. In contrast, hemp paper can be recycled up to 7 or 8 times, making it a more sustainable option. By choosing hemp paper, we can help protect our forests for generations to come. Not only does this choice reduce the demand for tree-based paper, but it also supports a more sustainable and eco-friendly industry. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that our forests continue to thrive for future generations. Section 6, Hemp for Fuel and Plastics, a greener alternative. Our dependence on fossil fuels is harming our planet. We need to find cleaner alternatives, and fast. Hemp offers a solution. Hemp can be used to create biofuel. This biofuel is renewable and produces fewer emissions, but that's not all. We can also make bioplastics from hemp. Unlike traditional plastics, hemp bioplastics are biodegradable. They won't pollute our oceans and landfills. Section 7, Hempcrete, building a sustainable future. What if our homes could be built from plants? Well, with hempcrete, they can. Hempcrete is a building material made from hemp, lime, and water. It's strong, lightweight, and fire-resistant. Hempcrete is also an excellent insulator. It keeps homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This means we can use less energy for heating and cooling, saving money and reducing our carbon footprint. Section 8, Hemp for a Cleaner Tomorrow. Our planet is facing a pollution crisis. We need to find ways to clean up the mess we've made. Guess what? Hemp can help. Hemp can be used to clean up contaminated soil and water. How does it work? Hemp absorbs toxins from the environment. This process is called phytoremediation. Hemp is like a natural vacuum cleaner, sucking up pollutants and making the world a cleaner place. Section 9, Hemp for Healing, the power of CBD. Hemp has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Recently, one compound in hemp has been making headlines: cannabidiol or CBD. CBD has been shown to have a wide range of therapeutic benefits. CBD can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep. It can also alleviate pain and inflammation. Scientists are just beginning to unlock the full potential of CBD. Section 10, A Brighter Future with Hemp. For too long, hemp has been misunderstood and demonized, but the truth is out there. Hemp is a miracle plant that can help us create a healthier, more sustainable world. It's time to embrace the power of hemp. Let's support sustainable farming practices. Let's choose hemp products whenever possible. and let's tell our leaders to enact policies that support the hemp industry. Together, we can create a brighter future with hemp.